You need to cooperate. No, we don't have the report. Let me complete my operation first, then we'll speak. Just let me. No,
You have this deal and you are not completing.
we are doing it right now. Let me clarify some.
Then why you are going that side?
We are not going anywhere. I have.
You have to go that side and do all the operations there. We have seen
You just
all
wait,
the,
let me speak.
we have seen all the military there. We have seen. Shall I
No. They were
take you
also.
there? Shall I take you there? Operation, what's going on? You have done it in 10 minutes. Oh my God. You have done combing operation in 10 minutes.
Wait.
This
You want photos?
Yes, I want to try. We want
Just give me 15 minutes.
no 15 minutes. We want
It's not there in my phone.
Who have taken? Who have taken?
There are
Who is your boy?
cameramen.
Who is your boy?
There are cameramen. We have taken photos on this side. There are people who have gone on this side. So they have taken photos on there. So I need. They need to come here.
Why don't you allow to go our state force? Why you gave this state force distance?
Because somebody could have.
No. Then why did you come here? Then why did you come here? Why state force are not allowed there? Tell me,
Your boy.
Yes, my boy, what happened to my boy?
सब दिखाना है अभी देखना है सब लोगों को यकीन करना है देखना है अभी अभी ये पकड़ना है नहीं तो अभी ये ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ
You did not bring any cookie militants. We want this bombing operation to be very successful. You cannot do this bombing operation in 10 minutes. This is a very big hill. You have to take many days to do bombing operation. Why have you taken only 10 minutes? 10 minutes. This is not a bombing operation. This is not successful. You have to give me as proof that you have done a perfect bombing operation.
Don't do this for a man's sake.
You have to give us a proof.
अभी
Bring out the cookie militants or we're going to be very.
Wait, let me stop. I'll get the photo. You just don't worry. Just give me 10 seconds. At least I need some time. तो यहाँ पे हुआ है सर. I'm standing at the यहाँ पे पुलिस वाले का सामने
No photos. No photos.
तो मैं वही तो बता रहा हूँ. That is you are
Talk to your GOC or whoever in command.
See, there are two Wilson parties which are on this side. There are other parties which are on that side.
It doesn't matter. You should call them. You should call them. It doesn't matter.
That is what is happening.
Why did you go that side and here? You should
I
take
went to
the
both the
police
sides.
together there.
See, police. It was a risky for the police.
No.
There are
You were there with them. Why it is very risky? You were there with them. Why it is very risky? You are army. There are lots of army. If you die, there will be lots of army coming to save you. There are helicopters.
Sir, यहाँ पे.
There are helicopters who can go there. Why is helicopter not used?
I'm just standing. Crowd outside. We are not here to do the crowd. Calls for everything. They are trying to push out.
बंकर सुना ले जो अनि दे ये ले
Same we are doing on the Methi side. We just want we were trying to remove the bunker. Methi side we have removed this bunker. I am trying to tell them. They are not understanding.
That's a high long I thought.
So that is man. I understand.
Sang na khoi ki jar wan ki ma khoi to wan no nei ba ta ga sin mai tai ki lam ne ba ha manipur ki lam ne ba adu na na kari ki ro cooking military bu khong na ya khang ne mai tai la chắc quyền ngang nó đâm ne ba ai ma ti ma ti to na ro na ba wa long de mo ti ga bari chalong na ba sai ki na na ba quyền do
ये मैं explain कर रहा हूँ but she is not able to understand.
अभी समझ गए हम हमको बोला है चुप था लेकिन हम बोला है अब ऐसे ऐसे गए आपको बोल सकते हैं अभी
हाँ तो प्रॉब्लम ये है सर. Can you give ये SP का नंबर देना.
मैं को बा मैं सनु सनु तो हाइते सने बा
If you are ready to listen to me then I'll explain. But if you guys are angry and then I'll try to explain it.
amana ngai ngai ta ta ji ma chi chi ngang jan ka no ba kyan ta
अंदर मैं को बा
नहीं तो रुक. He is also there. At morning, at 800 hours, morning we started the operation. Now there are two teams which have started the operation. One had gone towards the hillside, we were towards this side. Now fire on day before yesterday with the fire which had come. Both the sides there was a lot of fire. So we wanted to destroy the bunkers which are being manned. And we wanted to check where our police guys are there, where Manipur Rifles is there, and when army is there. So we can coordinate things on both the sides, and we can avoid this kind of fire in the future. That was our plan. So we carried out search towards this area, and my other party which was there, it has carried out search towards the hillside.
So I just want to ask a question: that is state police participating in the other side?
Yeah. Yeah.
It is going right
yes,
now.
Yes, there are district magistrates.
Right now.
It is there.
Right now.
Yes, the
right
DC.
Now. Still there.
It's there that there are two DM who have come from that side.
Okay.
There are civilian reps which are there.
So you didn't find any weapons or any militants there? No militants.
As of now, there's no militants.
No militants. Yeah.
As of now, we
I will show you right now. Then. Come on, let's come. I'll show you with a binocular right now. Okay. I have the weapon to show you. Come.
There are people
then
might be having, but there are licensed weapons. Otherwise, I don't.
Achha, licensed weapons. So,
sir.
The terrorists are.
We already know, like, whenever there will be firing, then it will reach till there. And then means it's affecting.
You are understanding what I said?
Yes.
Now at morning 0845 hours in the morning we started, and right now we are coming back. So we have searched this complete area. We have searched the Nepali office.
And that combing operation is very unsuccessful. I want to say that because you didn't find any military. Not military. It's a terrorist. That means you are with the terrorists.
मैं बहुत किसी के तरफ है
Place from there. And there's no military right there. I mean, Kuki military. Then that should be the Indian army there.
No. Please,
What? No. We don't want any type of no.
There's no quadcopter. There's no quadcopter which we had flown. It might be from your side or it might
Not
be from the
our
other
side.
But
How
we
can our drone flown here and there, checking all those villages, the civilian village?
That has to be asked to the police, no?
Not to the police, no, to you. During the time of our army is here,
Ma'am, listen.
why did the
There are
drone
set
flow?
rules and set way and charter through which we work. Now, when we are trying to search these places, we had support of police. The police was required because this is a civilian area. Army doesn't operate this way.
Armies are still there. The headquarters is there. There are lots of army.
Jain sir.
फोन स्विच ऑफ करो
Ato mo ilay na kay minor drone pa no military.
We have taken photos of everything.
Okay, all the bunkers.
Yeah, all the bunkers and my party had gone that side.
And there were no militants, cooking militants. Okay.
See, you can call them civilians or Meitei
No
civilians.
civilians.
As of now, I could not find any militants on that side, neither on this side.
Have you taken a footage of the Shiva
We have the photos. We will submit it to our higher headquarters.
We can see there are men in
see,
black
there are,
dresses.
see what is happening is we will submit these photos to my higher headquarters, and then we'll see what directions or whatever it is. They will pass me whatever the orders are. Then
So I
we'll
just want
execute
to
that on
ask,
the ground.
how do civilians have the license like SLR and the...
I am nobody. Army is nobody to give license to civilians. We don't.
No,
need
no, no.
this
You
way.
should have
Please
the
understand
information.
this.
You should have the
We
information
have
and you
the
should tell
information,
us.
and that is why we are
How can you
coordinating the
just
operations with the
justify
police.
that they are civilians carrying all the SLRs and other
We
weapons?
did not give any statement like this.
You say to me that they are civilians, but they
Yeah,
are
they're
using
civilians.
SLR and many
I
of
could
the
not-
weapons.
see,
How
right
is
now-
it possible?
Ma'am,
They
right
are
now-
not licensed.
right now
They
when
are
I
not
went-
given to the
ma'am,
civilians. I also know that. They are not.
Right now, when I went, I could not find any civilians with any of them. Neither on the Meitei side villages, neither in the Nepali houses, or neither on the Kuki houses.
you say-
Now, the Kuki houses were being searched by other party. We were coordinating our operations on both the sides, and simultaneously we were moving towards the southern side. So we could coordinate and we could exchange the information. So there's no collateral damage or there's no fire in between.
But you
But
say...
the party which had gone towards the hotel, that is a different party, that is a separate party. It has already
So my
gone,
question is that
and we have just reached back.
you have seen the license gun. You said license. You have just said it right now.
License guns are on both the sides.
No.
It's a 12-bore gun, which
It's a state force who are having license guns. But they are not state force. They are nothing. They are civilians. How can a
there are
civilian get the
that
SLR?
license.
I am telling how
SLR is not, nobody can give SLR on license first of all.
Yes.
It's a 12-bore gun which are there, which civilians on both the sides might be carrying.
No. They are MRs and state force. They are state
Guns while they attack us.
I am not aware about all those things. That is,
You should be aware about
all those things. Police is there to
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ
coordinate.
ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯜꯂꯛꯄꯩ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯔꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯕ
That evidence,
ꯆꯪꯅꯤꯡꯉꯒꯅꯦꯕ
those evidence and all, whatever we have got, we will submit it to our higher headquarters, and then we'll take
You
it
should
action.
have shown to us also.
See,
Can you give us a positive feedback whether you have got any unlikely
as of now, nothing. Whatever has to be passed, I'll let it.
Then that means the
my
bombing
higher
operation
headquarters.
was unsuccessful.
Whatever
But you
you
have got
guys
nothing.
see, there are few.
You have. How can you were all sleeping, eating all the rations? You were all sleeping.
This is not very interesting. See, there's other party which is not toward that. Nobody to answer.
My grandfather's house.
핵상계 또보도 핵상들의 뭐 리사
ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯀꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯪꯀꯔꯗꯣ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯅꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯅꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯅꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯎ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯅꯝꯃꯒ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ
ꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ
Risk lay.
ꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯔꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯁꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨꯑꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯇो नमे
This bombing operation.
अगर आप लोग साथ साथ गए हैं तो इन लोगों के क्या रिस्क था
You have not taken this.
Police was there.
No. You have not taken them to the bunker.
खींचना है वीडियो खींचना है तो
Everything
क्यों
is
नहीं खींचना है
No. Just please talk to us.
आप लोग साथ में नहीं जाता है हमारा बस्ती में तो आप लोग फर्स्ट पूछता है 15 मिनट के बाद वो हमारा वो होश आता है
ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯁꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ
ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯂꯞꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯪꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯪꯀꯔ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯊꯅꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯆꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯧꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 15ꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯈꯨꯆꯪꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯃꯛꯄꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯆꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯨ ꯆꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯖꯅꯨ ꯐꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯨꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯪꯀꯔ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯪꯀꯔ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯝꯃꯦ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯉꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯂꯧꯔꯒꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯆꯪꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ
ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯕ
ꯃꯌꯥꯝ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯂꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯔꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯪꯀꯔꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ
MR ꯂꯩꯕꯩꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯜꯇꯥ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤꯕ MRꯒꯤ ꯕꯪꯀꯔꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯅꯦ MRꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯦ
ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯟ ꯑꯊꯨꯞꯇꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯉꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡ ꯇꯨꯝꯃꯤꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩꯇꯣꯛꯇꯣ ꯀꯥꯞꯁꯤꯜꯂꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯔ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯅꯤ
ꯁꯥꯔ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ
ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯣ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯍꯟꯒꯅꯣ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤꯌꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ
ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯗꯅ
Sir, I think you'll find.
अभी जो आपके साथ हम बात करना है
यारे
हो गया
Communal operation is not successful. Right now, you can see through binoculars there are people there right now.
My party had already gone. Whatever it is there, the report is going to be submitted, and we'll see my higher ups, whatever the directions are from the top, we'll see and we'll execute the way it is.
You have reached the temple. Are you sure you have?
My parties have gone for the level side, for the hill side. We are trying to search anywhere and everywhere possible. We are also trying to maintain the peace. We are also trying to de-escalate the situation.
Yeah,
We are
sir,
not here
it's
to.
a heartfelt request from all of us. We are not fighting with you. We want to support you, but you should also help us in this.
We are trying to do that. We are trying to do it at the best way. We are trying to coordinate with police commandos. We are trying to coordinate with the state forces all across.
Yeah. Also, we have a request that please stop this burning. It's only Meitei people that's being affected.
We are trying our best. And we are trying to actually de-escalate things and